Look at this crazy guy. All right, guys, we're gonna see the real Chris. Oh shoot!
Just when I thought it wouldn't get no sicker.
Nice keys.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Woke up one
He had to shave his beard for his new job, but hey, he's about to be making that bread. We're gonna be showing off some icy cars. You know what I'm saying?
And all my
Already.
But
I know what's about to
we
play.
always thought he was straight.
Ooh,
Yeah. What you know about this? That new
What
stuff.
you
you guys gotta get hit. You guys gotta get hit. Ooh, let's stop, dude. Sorry if my camera's cold and it's really hot out here, so it's like fogging up. But we're gonna go. Well, I haven't even told you guys yet. I got a new car. Yeah. So I'm trying to sell the BMW. So if you know anybody who wants a BMW in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, let them know. But I got an IS350 for the new daily because I need something that was like more reliable. And the E30 wasn't. I mean, it was like reliable, but there's just too many problems.
Hey guys, all I'm saying is he finally listened to me about what to do with the Beamer.
Yeah. So I'm selling that. If anybody wants it, hit me up. But we're gonna go. I just got new wheels. I also got my windows tinted already, so I'm about to get some new wheels for this car, and it's gonna be looking pretty amazing. So let's go.
Alright YouTube, we done made it all the way to Abe's house and pick up the wheels. You remember Abe, the bald guy, cool beard, red Charger. Anyways, we got all the way there and then found out that he took the jack that he said was there. So we had to drive all the way back to Anthony's to pick up a jack and some jack stands because we didn't want to use the little car jack because it's kind of sketchy. Anyways, that's, I don't know how to zoom in this camera. Hold up. There we go. There's Anthony grabbing the jack stands. Look at him. Look at that little happy guy.
Go f yourself.
Not so happy anymore. Well, anyways, guys, I don't know if Anthony made a video yet, but we got some new stuff happening with the Fox Body Mustang. It's gonna be sick. I think half of you guys are gonna love it. I think half of you guys are really gonna hate it. It's all good. Let my haters be my motivators. For most of y'all that don't know, this is my bestie.
This is my bestie.
We've been besties since like forever. All right, y'all. I don't know if Anthony mentioned it, but he's picking up some new wheels today. These are them. They're the Boston's. Throw him off this IS250 on his 350. I don't know if we're gonna put them on today. We probably will, but.
No, we are putting them on today.
Oh, all right.
I'm just swapping them out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot we're swapping one for one. So I'm gonna break these jiffies loose.
Later.
So as I was saying, we got the one wheel on. It rubs on the control arm a little bit, but next time I go to Jimmy's, I'm gonna just grind down the control arm a little bit, unless it grinds by itself. But it looked good. It looks good.
We're halfway there. It's about 103. It's only one long day, man.
So the last wheel's going on, guys. This thing looks sick. I can't wait to drop it down. But I just gotta tighten this wheel up. Got these wheels on her car. You know what I'm saying? Don't look too bad. But we're almost done here. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. And then we're gonna go and get give this thing a bath because it's like super dirty. I've been driving it a lot daily. So we're gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right, so there she is. I might have to get some coils here soon, but it looks good as hell, guys. Now it's time to drive it.
For my city, I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast.